Alright, class, listen up. I had a horrible day. Every time I get kicked by that stupid fucking logo. So you motherfuckers better take turns reading books, because I swear to goddamn God, you do something very much wrong, I'm going to get principal. Well, there's nothing we can do, you idiot. Who said that? Who the fuck said that? Because you can donate me $1 fucking so you can literally break your fucking face. It's the kids in the back. There ain't no fucking kids in the back. It's just two of you. It's just fucking Sunday detention. Now, who did that? It's Chloe. Chloe! Plus, what the fuck are you even doing here? Get out! And for you, you piece of shit, I'm going to make sure that you do every fucking homework now to mother freaking man. Stop using cuss words. They're not feminine. What the fuck you said to me? Don't you ever tell me not to use cuss words ever again, or else it's going to be potential violence. Wait, no, I'm sorry. That's what I thought. So now, we're going back to our lessons. Who the fuck knows what 6 is? Your mom. Mr. P-Head? How do you say my parents? That's it! You are expelled! Get the fuck out now! 20th Century Fox, why did you just stop in the room? Blue Bird to YouTube! I can't believe you got expelled! Wait, how did you know? Oh, really? You're gonna play dumb in my face? Guess what? I'm gonna call for Mr. P-Head, and he said that you and Chloe were misbehaving. Wait. Chloe isn't your child, and neither is you. You are adopted. What? No! You are grounded for the rest of your life. You no toys. You are gonna go suffer each night. Go to your room now. Way.